Commercial ads. We all roll our eyes at them, interrupting, cluttering, annoying. But what if a simple, static, boring, non-distracting ad could help bring a life-saving technology to the world faster? What if glancing past a quiet point of interest ad meant thousands of families never receiving that devastating phone call? At scale, that's what IMAMS can do, save thousands of lives on America's highways. So the real question becomes, if a small, helpful ad could prevent tragedy, isn't that worth it? IMAMS is more than a device. It's a guardian. Calm and quiet during everyday driving, instantly dynamic only when danger strikes. A safety-first system built to protect without distracting. This balance, still when it should be, powerful when it must be, makes nationwide adoption possible without compromising public trust or roadway safety.